Good afternoon, homeowners in the Front Range of Colorado. My name is Mike Murray and I'm with Ascent HVAC and Home Solutions. I'm here to offer you our 149 safety, furnace inspection, electrical inspection, fire alarm inspection, so that you know that your system is up and running, so that you know you're safe, and really to earn your business in the future. It is just that simple. We are a service organization first, remove and replace second. If you have interest in having us come out for a full safety and furnace inspection, please call us at 303-414-1127. Thank you.